In the last video, I walked you through the Retell AI dashboard. In this video, I'm going to break down the different types of voice agents you can build inside Retell AI, so you know exactly which one to choose when building for different use cases. Understanding this now will make your future builds much easier to plan and execute. When you click on Create an Agent, this is what you see. 4 agent types, a bunch of templates, and no proper explanation. This single screen has caused more confusion, more wasted hours, and more abandoned projects than anything else in Retell AI. Most beginners click the wrong option here or complicate their first build. They get overwhelmed and quit before they even start. Hi, I'm Vikas and I'm going to help you fix these mistakes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what each agent type does, which ones you can completely ignore as a beginner, and why the simplest setup is actually the most powerful for building production-ready voice agents fast. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 options here. I'm going to walk you through each one, but spoiler alert, you only need to care about one of them right now. The first option is Conversation Flow Agent. This is basically a structured and deterministic approach. You can think of it like building a flowchart. If the user says A, the agent does B. If the user says C, it goes to D. So this is pretty powerful for complex scenarios like medical screening or multi-step qualification processes where every response is predefined. But here's the catch, and there's always a catch. It requires significant setup, and for beginners, it's overkill. Then we go on to Single Prompt Agent. This is what we are going to be using. Instead of building complex flow diagrams, you give the AI one well-written system prompt and it handles the conversation naturally. That's it. Let me give you an example. You are a professional real estate appointment setter. Ask qualifying questions about budget, timeline, and location. Book a meeting when the lead is qualified. The AI takes that instruction and runs with it, naturally, conversationally, and efficiently. So when do we use these single prompts? Well, whenever you want to build something fast, you want natural human-sounding conversations, you are building MVPs or testing ideas, or when you don't need rigid or branching logics. This is what 90% of real-world voice agents use. It's simple, it's flexible, and powerful. Then we go on to Multi-Prompt Agent, which is legacy. And as the name suggests, this is an older structure with section-based prompts and branching. Unless you're maintaining legacy systems, you can ignore this completely. It's been replaced by better options. Then we go on to Custom LLM. Now, this is an advanced use case. This lets you plug in specific language model for compliance, privacy, and customization reasons. Unless you have very specific requirements, which 95% of you won't, you really don't need this. Let's go back to the Conversation Flow Agent. Now, below these agent types, you'll see pre-built templates like patient screening, real estate lead qualification, medical center receptionist, and so on. Now, these are really useful if you want to see how a conversation is structured, if you want to do some reverse engineering, maybe you need inspiration for your case, maybe you are one of those exact industries. But if you are building something custom, which we will be, you are going to choose Start from Blank. Now that gives you complete control from the ground up. So as a beginner, let me be really crystal clear with you. If you are just starting out with Retell AI, here's going to be your game plan. Number 1 is to choose a single prompt agent. Then you need to select the Start from Blank. And then you need to write clear, detailed system prompts. And number 4 is going to be test it, iterate, and improve. That's the formula. You don't need advanced flow builders. You don't need branching logics. You don't really need custom configurations. So you need to start simple, build fast, and improve as you go, as the professionals build. They ship working agents quickly, then refine them based on real conversations they have with their customers, right? They don't over-engineer before they even make their first call. That being said, if you are serious about mastering voice AI agents and not just experimenting, but actually want to build systems you can deploy, sell, or scale, you need to subscribe to my channel, Build with Vikas. I'm going to break this down step by step so you go from complete beginner to building real-world, production-ready AI voice systems. In the next video, we will be opening up the single prompt agent canvas for the very first time. I'm going to walk you through the workspace and show you where everything lives so you can build without getting confused. See you in the next one.